Do you want to build trust in your relationship? Here are a few tips. Be open and vulnerable about your feelings. Understand that mutual respect is non-negotiable. Let go of your ego and admit your mistakes when you make them. Always match your actions with your words. Be honest with each other, no matter what. Honor and respect your partner. Never, ever take your partner for granted. Forgive each other when something goes wrong. Don't hold on to grudges. Respect each other's opinions when you disagree. And lastly, always respond with empathy.